Hey guys, welcome back to another Bitcoin price analysis video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you would like to be getting first tips on that, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post the next video. Yes, I do believe that Bitcoin has one more drop, okay? Just one more drop before it takes off to potentially setting a new all-time high, okay? Why do I believe that? Because Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for quite some time now, okay? Ever since we went to 69K, we just been falling. By the way, I'm looking at the daily time frame right now. So we've been falling, and it's been quite long, okay? It's starting to get boring. You know, I think the bears are losing the strength to bring the price lower, okay? And this is seen through this high moves that we've been having here. You know, we first, back in January, we attempted to go back up, okay? We went back up to 45,000. We got rejected there and went back down. And then we went back again to 45,000. We got rejected and went back down, you know. So 45,500 seems to be the major resistance here for Bitcoin, okay? And then we have the support here at around 36,500. This is where the major support is for Bitcoin. So we tried breaking out of this resistance, but we got rejected. We went back down to the support, and then that helped us to bounce back up. Now, I believe that the insiders are actually accumulating Bitcoin between these zones here, okay? Between 36,000 and 45,500. I believe that this zone here are actually the area that the insiders, aka the market makers, are accumulating Bitcoin, okay? And once they have done doing that, then we are going to head back up, okay? They have to keep accumulating more Bitcoin up until they have enough to start bringing the price back higher. Now you can see here recently, we actually had Bitcoin here attempted to break this 45,500 resistance, okay? We broke it here on March 27, but then what happened? We actually ended up falling back down. So this breakout was a false breakout, okay? There was too many sellers still active and they just sold Bitcoin, and this just brought the price back down. We also have this vertical trend line, which Bitcoin had been trading above until April 11, ended up breaking out of it. Let me zoom in. Okay, so Bitcoin actually ended up breaking out of this trend line, and now it's being used as resistance. As you can see, the price just keeps getting rejected. Every time it will come near that line, that purple line, it gets rejected, okay? That's to be expected. Now, like I said, we have the major support here at around 36,000, which is where I believe Bitcoin is going to have its last final drop before it starts heading higher. Now, we might have a flash crash to like 34,000, but then it's gonna end up closing back up above 34,000. Just like in this candle here, you know, we ended up trading below it. We went all the way to 34,000, but then what happened? The price ended up closing above it. So I believe something similar might happen over here, okay? Right now, Bitcoin seems to be holding this 39,400 support, okay? But it's starting to look weaker and weaker. So I believe that we are potentially going to end up breaking this 39,000 support, okay? Once that happens, then yes, Bitcoin is definitely heading down to 36,000 500, which is where the next major support is. And like I said, this is going to be the last drop for Bitcoin before it takes off higher. Now, the major resistance to watch out for definitely is 45,500. This is where Bitcoin needs to break above, okay? It needs to break above this resistance in order for us to continue higher. And when we do break out of this, we want to see the volume be a lot, okay? More than this. Here, this one had a very low volume. Actually, you know, the price went from 44,000 to 47,000. Volume was very, very not that great. And this is one of the reasons why we ended up getting rejected and, you know, crashing. So I'm looking for a nice buying trade at around 36,000, okay? So I'm setting up my orders around those area, 36,000, 37,000. Also, another reason why I do believe that Bitcoin is going to head higher once we have this last major crash is the fear that is currently in the market, okay? There's a lot of people that are fearing that Bitcoin is going to crash to 30,000 or to 20,000, you know? So many people are fearing that, and they're thinking that's what's going to happen. Now, when there's a lot of fear like that in the market, usually it's the opposite that happens, right? It's the opposite that tends to happen. That is another signal that the price is going to reverse back to the upside and not fall to what everybody is expecting it to do. Last thing I want to show you is this. I actually made a video on this a few days ago, but I just want to point out to you why I am strong in my decision about why Bitcoin is going to head high, okay? On the monthly time frame here, we have a pattern, okay? Pattern that I believe is going to bring us high. So if you look on this side, on this left side of the chart here, we had these two bullish candle, right? After these two bullish candle, we then had this bearish looking candle. And then after this one, we had this massive bullish candle, which brought us all the way to 67,000. It brought us from 43,000 to 67,000. And this same pattern here is repeating on this right side. You can see here we have these two bullish candle, just like we had here. And then after that, we had this bearish, just like this one here. We currently have this bearish candle, which I believe is going to end up closing, possibly, you know, it's going to close just like this one did. Maybe not exactly, but definitely we'll have a wick at the bottom here, you know, with a small body. And then after this candle, I believe we're going to have a massive bullish candle, which is going to bring us all the way to like 60,000. This is what I'm seeing happening. So May is looking like an exciting month for Bitcoin. I will be definitely buying Bitcoin right now, you know, buy some right now and then wait for the price to drop lower and buy some more. Anyways, this is it for the analysis. I'm going to end it here for today. If you found some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.